All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Disputes and tensions between America and China are continuously increasing. This time, submarine cable has become the cause of dispute between the two countries. These cables, located thousands of feet deep in the sea, have currently become the backbone of the world. The surprising thing is that espionage is also being done by breaking into them. This espionage has once again become the cause of dispute between America and China. The latest accusation comes from China. Submarine cables have in recent years become a tool for some countries to steal intelligence information and even seek geopolitical interests, stated China's Ministry of State Security. Although no country was explicitly named, the implication was clear. China was pointing the finger at the United States. This revelation follows the disclosure of materials by Edward Snowden, a former technical assistant for the CIA, indicating that the U.S. National Security Agency has been conducting large-scale surveillance on global submarine cables through its upstream program alongside the PRISM initiative. 40-year-old Snowden is a prominent U.S. whistleblower and advocate for privacy. In 2013, he leaked highly classified information from the National Security Agency, NSA, exposing numerous global surveillance programs. These programs were largely operated by the NSA and the Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance, with cooperation from telecommunications companies and European governments. Now, as the world commemorates the 10th anniversary of Snowden's disclosures, the former contractor-turned-privacy crusader has issued a chilling warning. Today's surveillance technologies are so advanced and intrusive that they render the 2013 revelations a mere child's play. Concerns over Chinese espionage. However, the United States has been no stranger to leveling similar accusations at China. In May 2024, the Biden administration reportedly warned Silicon Valley giants such as Meta and Google, who have invested in submarine cables, about the potential threat posed by Chinese cable repair ships. U.S. officials are concerned that China could sabotage or tap undersea communications cables, which carry 95% of the world's online traffic, to siphon information, from personal data to intellectual property and classified military intelligence. Economy flowing undersea. Beneath the vast expanse of the world's oceans lies a complex web of infrastructure that has become the lifeblood of the modern economy. Undersea cables, once a mere curiosity, have evolved into an intricate network that underpins a digital age, carrying the pulse of global commerce and communication. As of early 2024, telegeography has mapped the undersea landscape, revealing a staggering 574 active and planned submarine cables globally, spanning a combined length of nearly 1.4 million kilometers, a testament to the world's insatiable appetite for connectivity. Global Submarine Cable Network. At the heart of this undersea revolution lies the optical fiber communication system, a technological marvel that has transformed how we transmit and receive information. Utilizing fiber optic technology, these modern cables offer unparalleled speed, reliability, and cost efficiency, dwarfing the capabilities of traditional satellite links. However, this undersea infrastructure is more than just a conduit for information. It is a strategic asset that underpins both economic and national security interests. As if the shadowy world of undersea cables and clandestine operations wasn't murky enough, the specter of marine espionage looms large. Remember Beluga, the Russian spy whale? There is speculation that it is trained by the Russian Navy for espionage. It's a chilling reminder of the rising undersea infrastructure and the emerging threats that lurk beneath the ocean's surface, demanding innovative strategies to counter them. Strategic significance of submarine cables. Submarine cables have strategic significance beyond commercial interests, intersecting with geopolitical dynamics and national security concerns. The ownership and deployment of submarine cables have become geopolitical flashpoints, necessitating heightened vigilance and cooperation to safeguard critical infrastructure. In 2018, Australia blocked Huawei, a Chinese tech company, from laying a cable between the country and the Solomon Islands over fears of granting Chinese government access to its networks. In June 2020, a U.S. national security panel raised objections to an 8,000-mile cable project supported by Google, Facebook Incorporated, and a Chinese partner, aiming to connect Hong Kong and the US. The panel argued that it could provide unprecedented opportunities for Chinese government espionage by intercepting internet traffic. Navigating the depths. The undersea cable industry intersects with geopolitics, national security, and the growing needs of the digital economy. Tech giants such as Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Microsoft are the primary users of these cables worldwide, attracted by their significant capacity. As data traffic escalates, there's a surge in demand for communication cables. Consequently, companies heavily invest in these cables to accommodate the escalating demand for data-driven services, propelling market growth. Google, for instance, boasts 16,790 kilometers of international submarine cable, collaborating with Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft to span 102,362 kilometers. Facebook owns 92,874 kilometers, Amazon 30,556 kilometers, and Microsoft 6,605 kilometers. In the coming years, the competition among major tech companies in the submarine cable sector is poised to intensify to satisfy the growing demand for services like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and streaming, which demand low latency and high bandwidth. Safeguarding submarine cables. While the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea offers a legal framework for gunning activities in the maritime realm, encompassing the safeguarding of submarine cables, it does not meet all requirements. In this murky realm, where the flow of global commerce and communication converges with the currents of espionage and power plays, the battle for control of the undersea domain rages on. Protecting submarine cables is about more than ensuring economic resilience. It also involves safeguarding national security. International cooperation remains essential.